Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 990. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we're addressing a common issue with the Conga 990, the motor not functioning properly, which results in the device struggling to clean effectively. This can happen due to wear and tear or blockages in the motor system. If left unchecked, it could lead to further damage and potentially costly repairs down the line. To resolve this, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a pair of tweezers, a soft cloth, and some replacement motor parts specific to the Conga 990. First, ensure your device is unplugged and lay it down on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Carefully remove the screws from the back panel using a suitable screwdriver, making sure to keep them safe for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips. Inside, locate the motor, which is typically situated towards the center of the device. It may be secured with additional screws, so carefully remove those as well. Pay close attention to the wiring connected to the motor. Use your tweezers to disconnect any cables gently, ensuring you don't pull too hard. Remove the faulty motor from its housing. When installing the new motor, ensure it fits snugly and the screws are tightened securely, but not overly so, as this could strip the threads. Reconnect the wiring, ensuring correct placement for each cable. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, before sealing the back cover, it's a good idea to test the motor briefly to ensure it's functioning correctly. If everything is in order, replace the back cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, clean the exterior with a soft cloth to remove any fingerprints or dust accumulated during the repair. To prevent this problem from recurring, regularly clean the motor area and ensure no debris obstructs its function. Additionally, consider avoiding overly wet surfaces when using your Conga 990, as moisture can affect motor performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.